Welcome to your ultimate fishing guide. Whether you're casting in freshwater or saltwater, we've got essential tips to help you catch more fish. For freshwater fishing, use techniques like drop shot rigs and soft plastics to target species such as bass, bluegill, and catfish. These methods work best around underwater structures like fallen trees or rock piles. If saltwater fishing is your game, try live baiting and trolling for larger fish like snook, redfish, and tarpon. These techniques are effective near mangroves, reefs, and deeper channels. Florida offers fantastic fishing opportunities with top spots including Lake Okeechobee for impressive freshwater catches and Isla Mirada, or the Everglades for thrilling saltwater experiences. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like a recipe for cooking your fresh catch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fishing tips and guides, tight lines, and happy fishing adventures ahead. For personalized fishing advice or to get a detailed fishing guide, feel free to email us.
Let's get this fish. It's like snapper in Fort Lauderdale Vista Park. So you see that fish, the color and everything. It's a good catch, I think.